Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are absolutely welcome. Sorry that we are starting up today's video with this work part of it. Actually, working, this kind of work is not my favorite. Days where we have to work, they are always not my best of days, but this was a decision that we carefully made. We had 2 days priority time where we were returning back to school. Our experience is actually coming to an end. So we're just thinking of what we could do additionally that will bring a smile or that will put a smile on our matron's face. So we thought of buying her a gift, and we just felt like, what are we going to buy for her? We are just students. So on the verge of contemplating on what to actually give our matron, we thought of just clearing the whole vicinity. Normally, she would pay people that come to clear everywhere and make sure everywhere is neat. But since we were just looking for what to do to please her, we decided to do this place. It was very big. We had to do the front and the back. The grasses were just so much, coupled with the fact that this is actually like raining season, so green grasses are just growing everywhere. So it was very cold, but because we had already taken this decision, we just had to come out of our comfort zone to just do this thing with all our heart. So this particular morning, we woke up by 6 a.m. and we started doing this job. Fortunately for us, it didn't take us too long. We only stayed here for 2 hours. That means we started by 6 a.m. and before 8 a.m. we were actually very done. So that is just what we did this day, and we just did it to the best of our ability and to the best of our strength. We did it gently, gently, gently till we actually finished. So guys, we just finished clearing the grasses and I just finished taking my bath. I'm actually losing my hair. I want to make a new one before we go back to school. We are going back on Friday and today is Wednesday, so we're just trying to get everywhere organized and tidied up, at least to some extent. So yes, and then I want to make lunch. I want to make fried yam and eggs. We are also working today, but today is Wednesday. There is nothing today. It's just a normal day, so we can actually wear our mufti. So the way you are seeing me now, I'm actually at work. So whenever a patient comes, we are going to go and attend to the patient. So we are just around. So that's just what is going to be happening now. I was actually editing. I was actually uploading a video, but the video is not uploading. Like, it's taking so much time as usual because the network is kind of very bad and frustrating. Okay, that is all. Let me just go and make my lunch of fried yam and egg. So see you guys. Subscribe, like, share. Visualize you want to fight. It's the way you're distributing it for me. Trenches. We'll go back to our hash reality. So guys, I just finished with the yam right now. This is the quantity of the yam. I'm going to turn it over to this plate. I'm going to add my salt. Away, don't enter. pepper. I'm going to stir. I'm going to be using red oil to fry this yam. And the reason why I'm going to be using red oil is because I don't have groundnut oil and I have just 2 days to going back, so I don't want to buy any oil because I still have this one very plenty. So this one I'm going to be using. So this is my roommate's own yam. So let us fry. This is going to come out nicely. I've done it before and it came out nicely, so don't judge me, just watch out for. In fact, she's going to be using red oil to fry her own. Ha. This is the last batch. Here's the spoon. I'm using this plate I used for the yam because I still have some water and some pepper inside. I still want to maintain that warm. And I'm frying 3 eggs. So some are still here, but I'm going to be reserving this one for later. Some shows are ready. You won't know that I fried that thing with red oil if I don't tell you. You're not gonna know. They're not gonna know.